Look at these tires that go over all terrain, including swimming. This is how you open it from the front. And it's got a ladder as well. You guys haven't noticed yet, there's no steering wheel in this car. We've got these two levers, one to go right, one to go left. We've got our radio, here our horns. So let's turn it on. Go, I'm gonna put the rear view camera on. You can see the camera. But you know what? I wanna get this bad boy in the water. Let's close her up.